Do you have a 2013 B Star note and you think it's valuable? Well, here's the short and skinny. Welcome to Coin Nerd. Welcome to Coin Nerd, and as I mentioned, here's the details of the $1 2013 B Star note. And I'll even show you if it's worth a lot of money or just face value. First, the bill has to be from 2013. Second, the serial number has to start with a B. This B is also in the seal and indicates the Federal Reserve Bank responsible for printing this bill. In this case, it's New York. And it must have a star at the end. Too easy, right? Got one? Good. Now here's the hard part. It must fall within the serial number range of B000000001 to B002500000 or B0320001 to B0960000. Now this is very important to know if your bill is one with a duplicate serial number, and here's why. Normally every bill of a given series will have its own unique serial number, but that's not the case with the 2013 $1 B Star note. Some serial numbers were accidentally printed twice. $1 Star notes from 2013 with a B in the serial number range I mentioned earlier have a duplicated serial number error. Now, this was a printing error by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing in which those serial numbers printed at their DC facility were accidentally printed again at their Fort Worth facility. The difference between the two bills is a tiny indicator showing if it was printed in Fort Worth or DC. If the plate number has an FW in front of it, it was printed in the Fort Worth facility. Otherwise, it's from DC. You want one from each with the same serial number. Again, to be a valid error note, the duplicated serial numbers must fall within one of these two serial number ranges, from 1 to 250,000 or 3,200,001 to 9,600,000. Have one in that range? Good, you're halfway there. Any serial number that falls outside of these ranges, like this one, are serial numbers that were not duplicated by the Fort Worth facility. But again, it still could be worth more than face value. I'll explain that next. If you do have one that falls out of the serial number range, it still could be worth more than face value. According to eBay, here's one that sold for $3, just because it's a star note, I guess. But if you do have one in this serial number range, it's worth a lot more than face value. Again, just because it's a star note, and maybe the matching twin is out there somewhere, people are paying big bucks for these, hoping to find that twin. And if you can find the duplicate, it could be worth $25,000 or more. Imagine finding a pair of lowest serial numbers with a 1 at the end, and what that could be worth. Hope this helps, and good luck searching. Thanks for watching Coin Nerd. Hopefully the next vid will be better.